This is the latest technology, the ultimate Hypno Ring. The Hypno Ring. How to make it? So first you get a piece of paper and then fold it into a circle and then put tape over here in the middle and then wrap it up. Then when you made the little ring out of paper, put strong tape, like some strong tape over here and wrap it out in the back. Then put tape, I'll show you. Then put tape on it. Then find a magnet and then draw and use permanent marker and use that magnet and stick it on. If you make a mistake drawing the hypno, then use sanitizer
Alcohol wipes.
and alcohol wipes to make the hypno to erase if you make a mistake. So subscribe to the channel and leave some comments. Bye bye.